This is a 2010 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, an electronic throttle, a security system, chrome window trim, 12-volt power outlets, stability control, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Toyota of Plano is located at 1001 Preston Road in Plano. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.